Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to say our alphabets. Are you ready to say your alphabets? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Those are the alphabets. And you deserve a delicious red apple. Mmm. Just want to bite it. Okay, now, let's go over some sight words. What is this a picture of? Comes out at night. Starts with the letter M, M. This is the moon. Moon. Let's spell the word moon. M, O, O, N. Moon. Very good. Now you're going to hear my letters jump off. And we're going to flip it over. And this goes on our head. What is this a picture of? And it starts off with the letter H. This is a hat. Okay, let's spell the word hat. H, A, T. Hat. Okay, now let's drop these letters. Let's get another board. And what is this a picture of? It's in the water, and it makes a face like this. What is this? This starts with the letter F, fish. This is a fish. Okay, let's spell the word fish. It starts off with an F, an I, S, H. Fish. Very good. Now we're going to let our letters jump off. We're going to flip our board over. And what is this? It's quiet. It lives in the woods. This is a fox. Starts with the letter F. Fox. F-O-X. Okay, let's spell it. Starts with the letter F. O. And then let's find the letter X. Mr. X, where are you? Here he is. Here he is. How do you do? There we go. The letter X for fox. Good job. Our letters are going to jump off. And you did so well today. I have a surprise. This is a toy surprise. And this is called Get Ready for School by LeapFrog. Now, this is a fun toy to play. It has 12 colorful pages. You touch the pictures and the book comes to life with learning phrases and songs. Time to learn. Practice telling time by turning the hour hand on the clock. It also has preschool subjects which introduce letters, numbers, colors, animals, shapes, music, and more. Whew, that's a lot. It has level learning and includes 2 levels and a quiz mode to grow with your child. Also a music button. You press the button to hear 6 learning songs. Okay. This looks like so much fun. So let's open it. All right, I have, well, here they are right in front of me. I have some scissors. Remember, you always get someone to help you. You don't want to use the scissors by yourself for the little people. And this toy came from Walmart. And since Miss Porter has a daycare herself, this is not sponsored, but I like to get educational toys to play with at our center. Okay, let's cut off all of these little backings first. Have to unscrew the back. There we go. Okay. And then it has a little book inside. I'm going to put these scrappies over here. Okay. Now, it's called Get Ready for School. Okay, so inside, okay, let's turn it on. Here's the on and off switch right here.
Hi, friend. Open your book and let's play Find It.
Let me turn it up high. It has a low volume and a high volume. Okay.
Number snack. Let's play a Find It game. Find 3 apples.
Okay, so there's the 3 apples.
3 apples. Yes. Find 5 drumsticks.
Oh, look, y'all. Look, y'all. We had apples today. Yummy. All right, let's find the 5 drumsticks. Here we go.
5 drumsticks. Great. Find 8 cheese wedges.
Okay, and then when you touch the picture, it makes a noise.
8 cheese wedges. Awesome.
Oh, I love the sound.
Find 10 carrots.
Okay.
10 carrots. Yeah. Find 6 cookies.
Okay, there's our 6 cookies.
6 cookies. Yum. Yes.
Yummy.
Let's play more with numbers. Find 4 bananas.
Okay.
4 bananas. Great.
Ooh.
Find 2 cartons of milk.
Okay.
That's a picture of 8 cheese wedges. Let's try another one. Find 9 strawberries.
Oh, my finger mistakenly hit the 8, so that's why I had the 8 cheese wedges in my bottom finger. So see, it corrects you as well. All right, let's turn the page. Let me see what else it does.
Lily's alphabet. Let's play a Find It game. Find the elephant.
Where's the elephant?
E says as in elephant.
Oh, it teaches phonics too.
Find the net.
net.
N says as in net. Yeah!
Wow.
Find the otter.
Where's the otter?
O says as in otter.
Otter.
You did it! Find the zebra.
All right, we're going to turn the page. Let's see what else the other pages do.
Animals and colors.
Okay.
Let's play a find it game. Find the light blue. Paint.
Okay. Light blue paint.
Blue. Oops. Keep looking.
See?
Find the light blue. Paint.
See, that's regular blue. So this is light blue.
Light blue. Yes.
So it
Find
corrects
the
you.
word.
That's pretty cool. Find the what? It said something. I was talking. But look how it identifies. If you push the wrong button, then it identifies so it can give you the correct one so you can learn. Okay, let's go over here. Let's see what this
Touch a
does.
picture to answer the question.
All right, let's listen to
Find
the question.
a worm.
Find a worm. Here's a worm.
Pink worm. Great. Find the animal that lives in a beehive.
So that would be a bee.
Yellow bee lives in a beehive. Awesome!
Isn't that
Find
neat?
the purple paint.
The purple paints.
Purple? Yeah! Find the orange paint.
Okay, here's orange.
Orange? Yes! Playing together is great.
Yeah, okay,
Find
let's
the
turn the
animal
page.
that lives in a den.
We're going to turn.
Spot the shapes.
Now this one
Let's
is on
play a
shapes.
find it game. Find a heart.
Find a heart. That's over here.
Heart. Great. Find the hospital.
The hospital's over here.
Hospital. Awesome. Find an oval.
Okay, this is an oval.
Oval. Yeah. Find a star. Star. Yes. Find the fire station. Fire station. Great. Playing with you is super fun.
Okay, let's turn
Find
the page.
market. Today I feel. Let's play
It's about
a find
feelings.
it game. Touch a picture of something that makes you feel excited.
Okay.
Ah, I see. Find a picture of someone feeling silly.
Where's silly? Okay, here's silly.
Silly. You got it. Touch a picture of something that makes you feel angry.
Where's angry?
Ah, I see. Find a picture of someone feeling sad. Sad. You got it. Touch a picture of something
Let's
that
turn the
makes
page.
you...
Now we're going to
Music studio.
Music
Let's play a
studio?
find it game. Find the instrument that makes this sound.
That would be an accordion.
Accordion. Yeah. Find the drum. Drum. Great. Find the harp.
Where is the harp?
Harp. Awesome.
Now, look, I
Find
have
the
this
cello.
on question, the question mark segment, or the button, just it says question mark. Now then it has different levels, parents, for like
Touch
1,
the pictures to learn about the instrument.
and I guess it's with the learning level of the child. So you do like 1 that's getting introduced, and we do 1, and then number 2.
Let's play.
That would
Let's
be
make some music.
number 2 would be a little bit
Now
more
you
advanced.
try.
And then this is for the question mark is just
Let's play
questions
a find
where they
it
just
game.
ask
Find
you
the
a lot of
cello.
things. So I think that's pretty neat. And I'm going to push this button.
Let's make some music.
It has a
This
music
is
button.
How it goes.
See,
The
it has a
drum
singing.
plays.
Isn't that neat?
The saxophone.
Okay, and then up here,
The clock.
This is a clock.
11 o'clock.
So it's going to
Find
teach them how to tell time.
10
They can
o'clock.
turn the
Find
arrow
the
at the
violin.
top.
9
So it's a lot of
o'clock.
different variety
Find
of
the
games
electric guitar.
to play in one. Oh, let me push the frog face.
Let's make some music. Find the electric guitar. Let's make some music.
So his,
Find the
you can
electric
push his
guitar.
face. That tells you different things that or tells the child different things they can do.
Let's
But
make
yes,
some music.
this seems like a very fun game, and it's very educational. Now, this is another affordable toy, and then we're going to put that on the screen and how much this one costs. But I hope that you would possibly go out and help your child learn in fun ways with purchasing this toy. This is one. And again, it's not sponsored. I just love to buy a lot of little toys anyway, especially educational toys that's going to inspire your child to learn. All right, until next time, we're so glad you came to visit us at Circle Time Kids Club. Bye-bye.